we're going to show you how to replace the missing locator of an overdenture. So basically every 6 months, every year, sometimes patient come in missing these, that we're going to have to replace them for him. Very simple. What we have here is 2-3 different colors, pink, blue, and clear. Each of them represent the retention level of the overdenture. So we're going to pick one of them and place in here. Pick this out. Now I get smarter. Now I understand this device here. You have to move this sticking out like this, and then you push it in. It's okay. But if you do this and you put in here, you will take out the things. This device is tricky. To take out this thing, you would do this, but to push the little rubber in there, you have to move this out. This one right here, move out. Can you take it out and try it again for me? Try it on. Try it on. Is it good?
Yeah.
Open? A lot more stable.
Uh-huh.
All right.
Yeah.